First of all, we are going to discuss about CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit CPU is the main part of the computer. Many other parts are connected to the CPU through wires or cables. The actual processing is done within this unit only. That is why it is called the brain of the computer. In the human body, the brain has the most important role. All our actions are the result of the signals we receive from a brain. Moreover, whenever we learn a new thing, it gets sorted in our memory. We keep storing information in our memory or part of our brain, and whatever information is needed, we recall that information and act accordingly. Let us understand more about CPU. CPU is the brain of the computer where it receives and stores information. It makes calculations and sends results to the output devices. CPU is also known as system unit. Input devices and output devices are the peripherals attached to it. Now we are going to discuss about the parts of the CPU. Main parts of the CPU. The three main parts of the CPU are MU, ALU, CU. MU. The memory unit stores the information temporarily for making calculations. This temporary storage is made up of registers. A register is like a piece of paper for rough calculation work. If you want to store information permanently, send the output to some storage devices. Like CD, DVD, hard disk, pen drive, etc. ALU. It is the arithmetic and logic unit that performs all calculations and logical operations. CU. The control unit manages all the operations of a computer system, all parts and peripherals of a computer system. It also controls the transfer of information from one part of the CPU to another. Working of a computer system. The three main activities of a computer system are as follows: input, taking input through input devices, Input storing in memory. Second one is processing, the execution of data and instructions in ALU. And the third one is output, displaying the processed data in a location depending upon program or instructions. All the activities are performed by the CPU. The control unit or CU decides when to take input from the input device. It then sends data and instructions to the memory unit or MU. When required, the data is sent to the ALU and calculations are made as stored in the program. Moreover, after calculations, when and where to store, the output is also decided by the CU. CPU cabinets are available in various designs but contain the same components inside. Some important parts of CPU cabinet you need to identify are as follows. Power button. It is used to turn on the computer. Reset button. It is used to reset or restart the PC personal computer without switching off. CD or DVD drive. Normally, it has a combo drive which can be used to read write information from and to a CD or DVD. USB port. There are two USB ports in front of the CPU cabinet and two at the back usually. Nowadays, most of the input and output devices are attached through USB ports. Pen drive is also attached with this port only. Speakers, headphones, and microphones slots are given between the two USB ports. Generally, the pink slot is for microphone and green slot is for headphone. Today's homework. Answer the questions. Here are some questions for you students and you have to answer these questions in your notebook. Question number 1, define CPU. Question number 2, name the parts of CPU. Question number 3, define MU. Question number 4, define ALU. Question number 5, define CU. You have read the answers of these questions in today's lecture. Thank you.